Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to make all TikTok videos private. So to do that, let me show you. Let me go to the TikTok application. And once you are in your TikTok, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And once you are there, you will find your TikTok videos. Suppose I have posted this video. So I want to just change its privacy. I'll tap on the three dots icon on the lower right, and here if you scroll to the left you'll find the option of privacy settings and tap on it. And here, as you can see, it is currently selected to followers and it is visible only to followers on your private account, and we will change it to only you, and it will just private our video, the specific video. So yeah, if you just go back, it is now currently in this section, moved from here. So this is in the locked section so that only you can see this. So yeah, this is how you can just make your TikTok videos private. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.